Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create subfolders in the Evernote. Now, what you need to do is first of all launch the Evernote app. If you are in Android, you can download it from the Play Store. If you are in App Store, you can download it from the App Store. Sorry, on iPhone. So here you can see. Let me bring you to my basic user interface. This is the user interface, and you must be thinking that we can only create notes here because it's not showing any subfolder or anything else. How should I create subfolders? Now in this, the app has not given the option of subfolder, but it has given the option of stack. Now what is a stack? Stack is a basically place where in the heading you post same types of or different types of notes. So how to create a stack? So first of all, open the folder, open the note which you want to transfer to the subfolder. Now click on the right topmost corner, three dots. Here you can see, okay, I have clicked it on, and now here you can see several options like share note, add to shortcuts available offline, add tags, add reminder, note info. Now here you can see there is no option right now, but and now you have to scroll back up, and here you can see on the left corner at the below three dots. Now click on these three lines. After that you will be seeing an option of notebooks. Click on this arrow, click on your notebook. After opening the notebook, here you can see you can open and click on first notebook. Now after clicking on the first notebook, just click on three dots. Now it will show the option of move to stack. Now click on move to stack, create a new stack. I will be creating new stacks. Automobiles, create. Now these notes were added to the stack. Okay, now in this it contains all the notes that I have made, and here's how you can create the subfolder in the Evernote. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next